foodies, we've got a good news because I was invited at Radisson Blue for the amazing food festival Adab Lucknow. And in order to indulge in the Lucknowi food was so brilliant. Right from the galati kebabs to the murg tikka and the kamli kebab with ulta tawa paratha. Oh my god, was a total bliss. And for the main course, they had this amazing sheermal roti, my favorite, and their famous dal Lucknowi was out of the world. The mutton curry, Nalli Nihari was so good that you have to come here and try out. Not to miss the Shahi Tukra and my favorite jalebi rabri. Oh my god. It was a meet and greet for all the influencers from the same industry. So the Adab Lucknow Food Festival is there and it wraps up around the 9th of September. Be there at the Great Kebab Factory and enjoy their Lucknowi delight. Signing off for now till I find something new. Till then, bye.